Okay, so Mr. Casares is currently booked on smuggling of persons and his bond is $40,000. He's a level 3 risk and he'll be represented this morning by Maya Quevedo from the Public Defender's Office. Ms. Quevedo, whenever you're ready.
Licenciada Quevedo, cuando esté lista.
Thank you, Judge. Your Honor, Mr. Casares had been in El Paso for about a couple of days only. He is from Sinaloa, Mexico. He graduated from the equivalent of high school in Sinaloa. His family is in Sinaloa and he had been working there in cucumber packaging. He does not have any money that he can post, Judge. He does not have any status in the U.S. However, he does have phone numbers. He is respectfully requesting a bond reduction or a split bond, or of course a full PR bond, whatever relief, if any, the court should find fitting. Thank you, Judge. He has no money to post.
Sorry about that. That was an accident. Anyway, this incident occurred on July 8th of this year, and about 5:50 in the evening, Texas Department of Public Safety Criminal Investigation was notified the Texas Highway Patrol troopers. Apparently they observed two vehicles driving in tandem crossing the New Mexico and Texas interstate line along Parkcraft Road. All right, so those vehicles are the Honda Civic with a New Mexico license plate, and the other one, the one leading was a Honda Civic with a New Mexico license plate, and the one trailing is a Nissan Armada SUV with Texas license plate. Just to clarify, the SUV, the Nissan Armada, had a Texas dealer tag. Anyway, defendant here, Caceres Ricardo, was driving the second trailing vehicle, the Nissan Armada SUV. And that Nissan Armada SUV was heavily loaded, and the officers observed passengers that appeared to be sitting on top of each other inside the vehicle. So the troopers made attempt to stop the heavily loaded Nissan Armada SUV. And then, meanwhile, the Honda Civic proceeded to get into Interstate Highway 10. And then eventually they were apprehended, and they found 11 passengers in the vehicle. And so the other driver, the name was Osuna Apodaca. And so the story from Osuna Apodaca was that defendant here would be guiding them in their travel to Phoenix, Arizona. And so they've known each other since elementary school in Sinaloa, Mexico. As you stated, Your Honor, the defendant here was an undocumented non-citizen. In fact, both of them, Osuna Apodaca and Casara Gonzalez, were undocumented non-citizens from Mexico. And at that point, defendant here was placed under arrest for smuggling of persons, third-degree felony. The other driver, Osuna Apodaca, was also placed under arrest for smuggling of persons and fleeing for a second-degree felony. Defendant here, being a non-citizen, has no record. That's all, Your Honor.
I show a California DUI and some federal charges.
Let me check, Your Honor, quickly. DUI. Are you looking at January of this year, Your Honor?
I'm looking at his pretrial service report. I show January 8th, 2023.
Oh, that's right, Your Honor. I'm sorry about that. He was arrested, detained, and cited, but I'm not sure if there was any conviction as a result of that.
Is there a federal conviction?
¿Hay alguna condena federal?
I'm looking at are you looking at their same rap sheet, Your Honor?
I have it. Thank you. I'm going to deny any reduction based off of the nature and circumstances of the offense and the safety of the community.
Estoy viendo los antecedentes penales. Sí, yo los tengo aquí. Voy a denegar cualquier reducción de fianza basado en la naturaleza y circunstancias del delito y la seguridad futura de la comunidad.
Thank you, sir. Good luck.
Gracias, señor. Buena suerte.